Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Bobpixie Hairstyles. I hope you all fine. First of all, I would like to introduce you to my YouTube. You will see latest hairstyle, latest haircuts and hair dye color ideas for women and girls both. So please friends, if you are fashion lover and want to know the latest haircuts and hairstyle and hair dye color ideas, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel Bobpixie Hairstyles. So my dear friends, today I am going to show you most attractive and best short haircuts and hair color ideas for women over 50. Best hair color and best hairstyle for women. So please friends, watch my video till the end. If you want to cut your hair in short length and attractive hair dye, then please watch my video till the end so that you do not miss any hair cutting and hair dye color ideas. After watching the video, you must comment in the comment section. How did you like our video? How do you like our channel with your and what you want to see on our channel? I will be very happy to follow your comments. So friends, with definitely comments, and thank you so much guys for trusting me. I have come up with the best hair product for you guys that you will see in the description below. These hair products are very good. You can also buy them from Amazon. I have given link to all the good product in the description to buy best hair products. So my dear friends, please support me by sharing my videos, and thank you so much for appreciations is of my previous video. For appreciate is encourage me and motivate me, and I will bring more useful and more attractive videos for you guys. If you like my videos, please press the like button. I hope you enjoyed today videos. At the same time, okay, bye. Take